Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can combine a different idle pose with a different walking style on Dress to Impress. So go here and go to walks. For instance, I want a cutesy walk, but I want an elegant pose. So I'm just going to go here first to the elegant walk, and I'm just going to equip I forgot which one I wanted. I'll do the idle pose for the elegant one. So equip just idle, and then here you're going to equip walk. So as you can see, when I walk it's like the cutesy one, but when I'm in idle mode it's the elegant one. So yeah, that is how you can kind of combine them together. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.